Yes. Listen carefully. Yesterday we have studied about the volume of cylinder.
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square A. And what is the volume of material used? Or the thickness of cylinder? Yes. Yes. Pi h in the bracket capital R square minus small r square. Capital R is the outer radius and small r is the inner radius. Okay. So now we come to the volume of cone. Volume of cone. It has been observed that the volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Okay, volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder of same radius and same height. Okay, so volume of cone is equal to 1/3. Now what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square A. So volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square A. This is the volume of cone. Now we will solve the question using this formula. Okay. Now question number 1 of 13.6. What is the first question? Find the volume of right circular cone. Cone is right circular. Okay. And with radius 6 cm and height is 7 cm. Number 1. R is equal to 6 cm. H is equal to 7 cm. And we have to find the volume of cone. So simply volume of cone is equal to, formula is 1/3 pi r square H. Okay, put the value 1/3 pi 22 by 7. R is 6 square means and into 7. Now what is the unit of volume? Unit of volume is cubic unit. Cubic unit, it is centimeter. So cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Clear? Now, so 7 to 7 cancel. Clear? 1 by 3 into 22 into 36. 6 square is 36 cubic centimeter. 3 12s are 36. Now 12 into 22, 12 2s are 24. Carry 2. 12 2s are 20. 4 plus 2, 264 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of cone. Answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? It means to find the volume of cone, we need two things. We need two things. Which are the two things? Radius and height. Radius and
Height.
height. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if suppose the slant height is given and radius is given, so first we find the height. If the slant height is given and height is given, so first we find radius to find the volume of cone. Clear? Now, question number 2. Question 2 said, find the capacity in liters. Capacity in liter of a conical vessel. conical vessel whose radius, number 1, radius is equal to 7 centimeter and slant height L is equal to 25 centimeter. And we have to find capacity in liter. Capacity in liter is question mark. Okay, capacity in liter. So there are two L's, so I write here liter. Okay, now you see that to find the capacity means the volume. Okay, to find the volume we need radius and height, but height is not given here. Slant height is given. So first we find height. Since r square plus h square is equal to l square, है ना? This is the formula of finding the slant height. R square plus h square is equal to l square. Now what is r? 7 square
Yes.
plus h square is equal to 25 square. Therefore h square is equal to
Sir,
25 square is 625 minus 7 square is
49.
minus 49. Subtract it.
Sir, 576.
576.
Yes, sir. Sir, which is the square of 24?
500.
76.
Now find the square root of 576. Find the square root of
Sir, 24.
576.
Sir, 24.
24. So h is equal to 24 centimeter. H is equal to square root of 576. So h is equal to 24 centimeter. Clear? Now we find the volume. Now we have to find the volume. We need radius and height. Now we have radius and height both. Now only in the we put the value of radius and height in the formula of cone. Now volume of cone or capacity of vessel. Capacity of vessel is equal to volume of cone. Okay, volume of cone formula 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. Now put the value. Put the value. So is equal to 1/3 pi is 22 by 7. R is given 7 square into 24 into 24. Okay, is equal to
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 2.
listen 1/3 3 8 are 24.
Sir, 7, 6, 7 we can't.
Okay, yeah, 7 to 7 square, but
Yes, sir.
now 22 into 7 into 8.
Sir, which
The
is
unit
what?
is cubic centimeter.
Yes, sir. Centimeter cube.
Cubic centimeter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and yeah, now multiply this.
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 2. Sir, 1232.
1232 cubic centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the capacity in
Liter.
liter. You know that 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to
1 liter.
1 liter. So to convert it into liter, we divide it by 1000.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 1232 divided by 1000 cubic. Liter. Now it becomes liter is equal to 1.232 answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Now we solve the third question. Okay? The third question is, what is the third question?
The height of the cone is 15 centimeter. Its volume is 1570.
The third question is, the height of cone is 15 centimeters. If its volume is 1570 cubic centimeter, find the radius of the base. And it is given that use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, what is given? Question number 3. Height is equal to 15 centimeter. Volume is equal to 1570 cubic centimeter. And we have to find the radius of base, and the value of pi is given 3.14, and we have to find the radius. Okay. Now to find the volume, we need radius and height. Volume is given. Since the volume of cone is equal to 1570 cubic
Sir, again, sir.
centimeter. Okay. Now, what is the volume of cone? Formula: 1/3 pi r square. H is equal to 1570. Put the value. Pi is equal to 3.14. We have to find the radius. So r square as it is. Height is given 15 centimeter is equal to 1570. देखो 3 5s are 15. So r square is equal to 1570 divided by 3.14 into 5. So r square is equal to, got it? Now look at it. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. है ना? Remove this. Now 314 ones are 314 and 314 hundreds are 31,400. Okay. So r square is equal to 100. So r is equal to root of 100. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. This we have to find out. Find the radius of the base. Answer: radius of the base is 10 centimeter. Okay. Note it down. Now when you see the question number 4, it is just same as the question number 3. Only what is the difference? Here you have to find the diameter. So just to multiply the radius by 2, you will get the diameter. Now the question number 5. A conical peak of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. Conical peak. Peak means gadda. a conical pit of top diameter. This is the conical pit. Okay. Conical pit. Its a diameter D is equal to 3.5 meter. And the deepness means height. Deepness means height is given 12 meter. We have to find the capacity in kiloliter. Capacity in kiloliter. Now look here. Very small thing. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. What do you mean by kilo? Kilo means 1000. Kilo means 1000. So it is 1 kilo liter. 1000 liter means 1 kiloliter. It means whatever meter cube we get, it is equal to kiloliter. Suppose the volume is 15 cubic meter, so its capacity is 15 kiloliter. 15 kiloliter. Suppose the volume is 15 meter cube, so volume will be 15 kiloliter. Suppose the volume is 30 cubic meter, so its capacity will be 30 kiloliter. Clear? So whatever volume you get in cubic meter, it will be automatically it is in the kiloliter. Clear? So there is no need to change the cubic meter into kiloliter. No multiplication, nothing. Only you have to write in place of cubic meter, you have to write kiloliter. Okay? Now, a conical pit of diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliter? So, volume of conical pit is equal to formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square A. 1 by 3. Is it given the value of pi?
No, sir.
No. So we will take pi as 22 by 7. What is the r? The diameter is given. Diameter is given. So diameter by 2 is radius. So we will write here 3.5 by 2 whole square into 12 cubic meter. Now the capacity, now the volume is here. The unit is cubic meter. Now it is equal to, solve this. Cubic meter, okay, is equal to. Look here, 3 4s are 12, 4 2, 2 2s are 4, cancel. What is left? 7 into 0.5, 3.5. So we have 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 cubic meter. Now, you see that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 kiloliter. So multiply it. 22 into 5, 110. So 22 into 0.5 is 11. 11 into 3.5. 11 5s are 55. Carry 5. 11 3s are 33 plus 5, 38. And there is one decimal place. So 38.5 cubic meter, and which is equal to 38.5 kiloliter. It is equal to kiloliter. Only in place of cubic meter you write kiloliter. Clear? So this is the answer. Note it down. And The next question has 3 parts. Okay? Yes. So first you note it down. Now we are solving question number 6. The question 6 says the volume of a right circular cone is 9,856 cubic centimeter. Okay? What if the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter? So radius will be 14 centimeter. Okay? Now we have to find the height of cone, slant height of cone, and curved surface area also. Okay? So number 1, to find height of cone, we have to find height. So we will begin with the volume. Now volume is equal to 9,856. Clear? Now, so volume, what is the formula of volume? 1 by 3 pi r square 8. 9,856. So, put the values. 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r is given 14. 14 square means 14 into 14, and 8 we will find out. 9,856 is equal to 9,856. Now solve it. 7 2s are 14. So H is equal to 9,856. Look here, 3 is in the denominator. When it goes to the other side, it will be in the multiplication. Upon 22 into 2 into 40 centimeter. Now cut it. Yes, find out the value of H. Go, look here. 14 ones are 14. 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98. Now 0. 14 fours are 50. 14 fours are 56. Again divide it. 235 352 है ना? फिर से then 22 ones are 22 22 ones are 22. कितना बचा? How much left? 13 132. 22 sixes are 132. 16 threes are 48. 48 centimeter is the height. 48 centimeter is the height. Now we have find out the height. This is the answer number 1. The second one, what we have to find? The slant height of the cone. L square, first we have to find L. L square is equal to H square plus R square. Find out the value of slant height. H is 48 square plus R is 14 square. Look here. Hey. 48 into 48. Multiply. Wait. Fast.
The 2304.
2304 plus 196. 14 square is equal to, है ना? It is equal to 2500. So L square is equal to 2500. So L will be square root of 2500 and it is equal to 50 into 50 is equal to root 50 into 50 which is equal to 50 centimeter. The slant height is 50 centimeter. Answer number 2. Now the third part. Find the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is, what is the formula? Pi r L. Now you have L, you have R. Only you have to find the curved surface area. Number 3. Curved surface area. Question mark. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Put the value 22 by 7. R is 14. L is. Now, what is the unit of area? Square unit. है ना? So it is square centimeter. 7 2s are 14. So 22 4s are 52s are 100. 100 into 22. 2200 square centimeter. Answer number 3rd. Clear? So note it down. Then we move to the next question. Okay. Now we are solving the question number 7. Question 7 is a right triangle ABC with sides of 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Clear? And is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Means, look here. This is the triangle, right triangle. You know that in the right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So it is hypotenuse. So it will be 13 centimeter. And it is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Means this is 12 centimeter. And the remaining third side is 5 centimeter. Now it is revolved about the side. So it will be the cone of height. It will be the cone of height. Now here height is equal to radius is equal to and L is equal to 30. Okay? Clear? It is revolved around a side 12 centimeter. Okay? Now we have to find the volume of solid. So obtained. When it is revolved, we get the volume. We get the cone. We have to find the volume of cone. Now, volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Look here. 1/3 5 R is 5 square and 8 is 12. 3 4s are 12. It is equal to 100 pi square centimeter. We are not putting the value of pi. Okay? Why we are not putting the value of pi? Because the next question 8 is also related with question number 7. So we are not putting the value of pi. Our answer is finished here. Okay, this is the volume of cone. Note it down.
Yes.
And tomorrow we will begin. Tomorrow we will do the volume of sphere. The remaining questions are your homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.